Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. We recently hit 100 subscribers, and to show you guys how much I appreciate your support, I wanted to do a giveaway. And so the products I'll be giving away are the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and the Colourpop BFF mascara in Blue Ya Mine. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and comment something down below. I'll be choosing the winner 1 week from today, and I'll be sure to leave the details of the giveaway in the description down below. I'm super excited to be giving one of you guys these products because you guys have been so unbelievably kind and supportive of me and my channel. I chose these products because they're a really easy way to incorporate some color into your makeup, and I actually use them in today's look. So if you want to see how I got this kind of party Barbie-esque look, you can keep watching. So I am going to do my foundation first again, and I'm first going in to prime with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Just focusing on getting that in my pores, like patting it in. My brows are already on. I'll make sure to link that video in the cards above. Now I'm going in with just a little bit of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this is their dewy formula. Just gonna blend that in with my Real Technique sponge. Go in with another super light layer. I'm just focusing on the areas that I have a little bit more redness. I'm gonna conceal my under eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now I'm gonna lightly set that all in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. I'm gonna contour my face very lightly with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and Dulce de Leche. I focused the majority of this product kind of on my hairline area and then in the hollows of my cheek. Adding a little bit more warmth into the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm tapping into the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Pearlescent Pink. Now I'm just hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight, focusing mainly on the cheekbones, the nose, the Cupid's bow. And with the e.l.f. brow pencil, I'm just redefining my big freckle. Today I'm going to be trying out the e.l.f. Putty Primer, the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and this is in the shade Rose. Just tapping that on my lid with my finger. And that primer doesn't feel necessarily very tacky, but I'm going to set it in place with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow and creme brulee just to be safe. Now I am taking this pink shade from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, buffing that in my crease. And blending it on my lid as well. Okay, now I am going in with this hot pink shade from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm taking that on my finger and packing it on my lid. I apologize if you can hear my neighbor pressure washing their porch right now. It's not very convenient timing. I am going to blend that out a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of blend that all throughout the crease too. I like how bright it is. Now I'm just gonna kind of take this purplish pink shade and put that on my outer corner. Buffing that original pink shade on my lower lash line. Now as a base, I'm gonna give myself a wing with the Sephora Contour Eye Pencil in Surfer Babe. I'm gonna line my waterline with that too. Now I'm taking this blue shade on a wet, skinny little liner brush and packing that right where we just put that liner. Now I'm taking my Essence highlighter again and popping that on my inner corner. I'll highlight my brow bone a little bit with it too. And just blending all that out. And for a little bit more sparkle, I am going to take the Smashbox Crystallized Shimmer Drops in Moonstones and pop those on my inner corner and on the inner half of my lid. Just blending out the sparkles a little bit to make them a little bit more diffused, and now I'm gonna go do the same thing on my other eye. Before I finish off the eyes, I'm gonna line my lips with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. And just popping on a little bit of the Sephora Gel Gloss in Pinup Pink. I'm gonna go put on some falsies and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I used the Ardell Wispies with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and then I just meshed my top lashes with those a little bit with the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Now I'm gonna take the Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara in Blue Ya Mind and popping that on my lower lashes. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your chance to win these products, and I'll see you on Wednesday.